Hey, this is Arlene. It is March 4, 2020. So, my microwave is emitting frequencies to the left side of my head, which is this side. And this is where it's coming from, the vent area. Not so much here, it's intensely coming out here. And the odd thing about this is that the microwave is not plugged, and this is the only area of the microwave that emits frequencies. Just like last night I did a video because my headrest behind my head when I was driving home, first at lunch and then it happened at home, started emitting frequencies. So I'm assuming there's something in there. They've done some kind of electrical work to my microwave. And that is what I'm getting right now.